All right, so we start with this story. The federal government and airlines may soon ask travelers to step on a scale prior to boarding flights. The Federal Aviation Administration said there will be no sharing of people's weight. And by weight, they mean
pounds. Yes, I know. Okay, I'm just saying.
That's so funny.
It's
okay.
not funny
It is
because
funny.
we've seen people's most personal details,
It is funny.
right? And especially we've seen people's most personal details get gone out to the world.
Yeah, but it
because
is
of
funny.
mismanagement of data.
Well, but they must stop on the scale at the airport. People got to behind them and see it. Like,
So you're gonna be looking out of your way to see how much the person in front of you
yes,
weigh?
you know, people will do that. People will look at, people say, oh, that's it.
Please
They
to try
probably
me.
have bets. Like, my friend would have stamp on bets. Bets she weigh like 250.
But why are we? I don't understand why are we being
It's not we. It's the Federal Aviation.
It's we because we're the passengers to take the flight.
Yeah, but what we are going to do?
So why are we
Cup
being
on
grouped
boat?
according to our weight? And then at what pound? Like, is it that if I pass 100 and let's
80.
say 80 pounds, you're going to tell me that, oh, ma'am, I'm
No,
sorry, you're supposed to be buying two tickets.
You're in the C class. You have to pay $20 extra.
Right? To get an extra seat.
Yeah, like you have to pay extra for your bag when you wait. I think it's
I feel
sad
about that.
though. No, though I find it funny, I think it's sad. And it's kind of, it discriminates.
It is a discriminatory act.
I don't like it. I don't like it. It's funny, but I don't like it.
It's not funny.
It is a little funny.
As a girl who is thick and intends on going
No, but
nowhere.
nothing wrong with, I mean, but
I'm just
it is.
saying.
It's not funny, but it's a little, her top's funny.
No, and people who are, are
Yeah.
always struggling with
And they'll
their
be
weight
conscious
will feel
about
a little
that.
bit,
Yeah.
feel a
True.
little bad about it.
True. I'm not in
Anyways.
support of it.
Come on, guys, fix that up.
Yeah, I may laugh at it, but I'm not in support.
No. So Calvin Pearce, a 14-year-old Fern Court High student, converted an old bar into a classroom to tutor community kids. I love it. Kelvin, 2 thumbs up for you, please, because more than ever, I think we need that kind of extra support. So if you are a student who is an A student and you're able to help other students around you, do it.
Yeah, that's a
Yeah.
big deal because we make a fuss about minor things in this country when small things happen, and we make a big deal out of it. Something like this, if we put it on every billboard across the country for sure, the younger generation that not because you're 14, 15 or 16 you can't make a difference. Yes, you can.
You can.
Like you have a role to play in the society, and not because people say, "Oh, you're a picnic or you're a child." No.
Yeah.
You're limitless. At this age, at your age, you are limitless. You have so much potential, and I just want them to just see this and take encouragement from
Yeah,
it.
it is definitely a template, and I believe that young people can reach other young people even quicker,
Easier.
faster, easier
Easier.
than adults can.
Yeah.
Because they speak the language, they're more relatable,
And-
and it
and
doesn't
they-
feel like you're being schooled, if you know what I mean. Like it doesn't feel like somebody's
Talking
over
to
you.
you? Talking down to you.
Talking down to you, exactly.
Hey, little boy,
or you need to be able to do this. But when somebody says, "No, man, you can't do it, man, because I'm gonna do it, and somebody do it, I'm gonna add this and put that there," so I think it's a good template.
Yeah, man. Big deal, Kelvin. Big deal. We love it. All right, a group of teenage boys who recently expressed a desire to represent Jamaica in the Olympics will be given an opportunity to train as divers for the 2024 Olympic Games in Paris, France.
Love to see it.
Yo, I saw the story. I think Glenn had carried the story. And I've seen them a lot of times when I'm down by the waterfront, And it's so amazing. Like, they use this as a medium of getting out of trouble or staying out of trouble. And the fact that they're now getting even the slightest of support, it shows that we are very invested in our young people. And we have to continue investing in them because they say it, but some people don't back it up.
Yeah.
They are our future.
Yeah, and I'm very happy that they could just, see the talent and support them on the basis of where they are, because they probably don't have the resources to go into formal classes
Precisely,
or anything
precisely.
like that. So I'm happy that they're giving that support.
love that.
Yeah. I can't wait to see them on the world stage. I hope that no country kind of snatch them after them start doing incredibly well for Jamaica. You understand? And then go here say, them representing for France.
But
and
I mean,
them something there.
if them another country want to come and snatch them and give you money for it, for them talents, I have no problem with that. They will just pay you for the rest of them life. Export your human resource. I'm serious. I don't have a problem with it.
Who would they give the money to? The diver or the country?
Well, the divers are taking care of others and the country gets money from it. Yeah. I don't want them to pay them and I take care of them,
Okay. All right.
Yeah. It's just like, me and you have a job. If somebody from Dubai comes and say, "Hey, Debbie, we'd like for you to, come to Dubai and work," would you go?
I will go.
Tio.
Just say, and I've been to the
Tio.
bar.
All right.
It's a nice place. Anyways, former attorney Jennifer Masado, who has reportedly defrauded international dancehall star David Movado Brooks of $30.7 million yesterday, told the Supreme Court that she is bankrupt and was given time to file an affidavit explaining her position. So, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Let the law take its course. She knows this as well. She's a former attorney, so she understands the process. You know, it's.
Me da vex. If me da vex. You take my money and then you go tell me say you're bankrupt. Me vex. And I must say that I admire Mr. Brooks's position on it, because other times people tend to think artists or music, they don't think first before they go about doing anything. But he's been following his legal advice.
And his attorney has been very aggressive on the matter.
Exactly. So I must applaud him for that and his patience.
Yeah.
In a situation like that,
but Movado has been going through a lot recently, and it's a lot.
Yeah,
it's a lot for one person to bear. So, yeah.
I overcome, man.
I can't wait to hear the music that will come out of this process. This part of the journey, it must produce some really good music following this, seriously.
Overcomer. Well, that's it for our trending topics this morning. Let us know what you think on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.